Hello everyone. Konnichiwa. Jambo. Maganda hapon. Today I made chopsuey. Chopsuey is a Filipino food and I will show you step by step how to cook it next time. But you can see here it is. Wow, it looks good. And it's time to taste it. Oh, it looks good. So good. We have some. Wow. Okay, and it's time to taste chopsuey. You can see how it looks. Man, wow. I love Filipino food. It's super yummy. Masarap. Ang sarap. I would recommend anyone to make chopsuey and try it. You won't regret it. It's super yummy. A lot of ingredients in it. So next time I'll show you the ingredients and how to cook it step by step. It's Masunga John. After watching this video, please subscribe, like the video, comment and share it. It's Masunga John and this is Chopsuey and I made it today. Alright? Goodbye. Jane. Kwaheri. Paalam.